Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. If you follow my channel, then you might be knowing that I am fan of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. In one of my recent video, I made Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj silhouette lamp. If you didn't saw that video, do click on the above I button. And also I will put link in the description. I highly recommend you to watch that video. Today I am going to make Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Shivmudra. For that you require sunboard or thick cardboard. You can purchase sunboard from Amazon. X-Acto knife, pencil, glue, talcum powder, acrylic colors. Here I am using black, brown and gold colors. Gold is metallic color. I couldn't find copper metallic color, so I am using brown. Sponge and brush. First I will show you how to quickly make octagon on paper. Draw horizontal line and mark the center point. Now draw circle using compass. Take protractor and mark 45, 90 and 135 degree on both sides. Now connect the intersecting points of circle. Like this you will get octagon. Now cut it using scissor. I will use this octagon as reference to draw octagon on sunboard. Now using the steel ruler and X-Acto knife, cut along the mark line. Draw lines and write the Rajmudra script. I wrote Rajmudra text this side, and on the other side I wrote Jagdamb, which means Goddess Jagdamba. Next draw border around the edges of mudra. You can use pencil or compass to form depression like this. Next we will make cone from plastic. Make cone like this. Stick it using tape. Now we will make 3D outliner. For that we need talcum powder and glue. Put some powder. And pour about half amount of glue. Stir it well. Glue amount you can increase according to need. We don't want free flowing liquid paste. Instead make solid liquid chunk. Liquid paste like this starts spreading after 5 minutes and ruin the text. So make paste like this which is solid and sticky. Now put it in cone. And close. Next write the script and keep it for drying. Dry it well, at least for 7 to 8 hours. After drying, it will look like this. This top part I had to do again as it started spreading. And this bottom part, paste was perfect. Next paint it with black acrylic color. Rajmudra is an authentic stamp or the royal seal that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj used during his rule. The meaning of these words on this Rajmudra is: the glory of this mudra of Shahaji's son Shivaji will grow like new moon. It will be worshipped by the world, and it will shine only for the welfare of the people. Okay, now I will paint dark brown color to give it a metallic look. You can use metallic copper color and give it a dry brush effect. Next take sponge, dip it in gold color and lightly dab like this. You can even use your fingertip to color this. Repeat the same process this side too. Here I use brush to paint the golden color. This is how it will look. You can poke hole on the top and use it as keychain or car mirror hanger. It will definitely look good. I tried making it more realistic and also simple so that anyone can make it. A small request to you guys. If you like this video, do let me know through your comments or likes. Even if you don't subscribe, a like from you guys will motivate me to do more such things. Do share this video with your friends. Let the glory of our Chhatrapati reach beyond the 7 seas. That's it for today, people. Hope to see you soon. Till then, be creative and keep creating. Peace.